Hey guys, quick video here, how to repair a rotted exterior door frame using epoxy or other stuff. So after you clean the bad spot, then what you want to do, try to leave an edge, try to leave this edge like that. You can create the shape better. If you don't have an edge, you can also use a painter stick, put some Vaseline right here, and just put tape and hold it there. So when the epoxy dries, you can go ahead and remove it without pulling the epoxy. If you have wet wood, you need to use a wood hardener. If you have wet wood, you need to use a wood hardener. So now we're getting ready to mix the epoxy. This stuff right here is the bomb. I recommend it. It dries like rock. After you mix your epoxy, you have it ready, and go ahead and put some silicone. If you have silicone, you don't need it, but I like to put it down there like that. I can seal the bottom of the threshold just like that. Then I'm gonna apply the epoxy and create the shape and let it dry. Gotta mix more. This is how dry it gets. I just gotta fix this one. I run out of epoxy when I did this one, but you can see how hard it gets.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.